Okay, like I mentioned earlier, my kids really enjoy taking a bath. They love bath time, and we also have the baby massage like Nico. He has his time with the kids when he puts a lotion. So even me and my husband, we enjoy doing this. It's really a bonding thing that me and my kids do, and even the older kids are helping me take care of the younger ones. And I think they see me do it, and they also try to copy. And it's cute that even my youngest one, who's one, she has a baby doll, and she puts the lotion. And I was like, I'll think about having another one. But wait, pause first. Parang parang my husband was saying, parang ready na maging ate. But no, that's not about her for agad. Ako yung na-text para sa'yo. Pinag-isipan ko na. I was like, oh my gosh, she's ready to be an ate. But anyway, going back to the skincare, she's, like, they really see it by example. And for me, Cetaphil has been a staple in our household ever since. It's gentle, it's hypoallergenic, and even if you ask your derma, they will really recommend Cetaphil. My kids have dry skin, especially now it's summer, and then you start sweating, and then you start swimming because of the chlorine. It gets mas nagda-dry siya. So now there's always a rule, and we have our routine at home. It's always okay, take a bath, make sure you put lotion. It's really so important. And sometimes when it's extra, when it's seasonal kasi, when, for example, like yesterday when they go swimming, I always say, do it twice a day sometimes. But yes, Cetaphil has been there, and we're just so happy to be part of this event. And speaking of dads, I know you also are very, very hands-on.
Yeah, so, if I could share any tips to the dads out there is, first, do everything your wife tells you to do when it comes to the kids. But the second tip would be, I think, we're always very busy, and there is this, I believe it's a misconception that, work comes first. And I believe we sometimes work so hard to reach somewhere, and that somewhere is to spend time with the family. So what I did, I switched that and I started prioritizing spending time with the family over work. That doesn't mean I don't work, I still work quite a lot, but having that shift of priorities, I do work. That's a little bit of it. It's very important. And again, this started for me with the pandemic, where I decided to spend more time with the Tilan first and my niece after. To be part of Cetaphil gave me this routine. I took care of bath, and I took care of applying the creams, and then the creams became a spa. The spa becomes playtime, and that's how you start building a relationship with the girls. And now I'm at the stage of educating them about men. So they have to stay away from men till they are 21. I have 2 shotguns at home, and no man will be allowed in my house till I said so. Clearly, I have no power over that and no control. But anyways, it is really like just that. Just spending time with them is something that is very fulfilling, and I believe that a lot of that, including myself, we kind of think that work comes first, and at the end of the day, family comes first. And I think if I have to give any tip, that would be my tip for every father out there. And to the moms, there's no tip I can give you, we just do whatever you tell us to do.
Very good tip. Thank you, Nico. I love that. Tama, it's part of a routine, and you really have to give time for it. Of course, Catriona, skincare tip for everyone.
Ooh, ako naman, I really like to know what's in my skincare. So, of course, you guys are going to learn so much today, which I'm so excited for you for. But once you find a routine, and I'm sure there's all of the boosts that will inform you which are the products that should fall for your skin type, because we're all different. Ako naman, I love that Cetaphil even has the little travel size goodness of their products. I will have them strewn about their most random place. Halos lahat ng handbag ko. Meron ng mini sun SPF ng Cetaphil, or yung cleanser, especially when I'm traveling. Because the thing about having a routine, my routine needs to work for me wherever I am, and I travel a lot. So having those ingredients that I know are going to look after my skin, especially kapag traveling tayo, ibang climate din. So I just went to Turkey a few weeks ago, sobrang lamig. And then I jumped over to the Philippines and then went to Australia. So ibang climate. But Cetaphil is able to adjust, and I'm also, with the product range that there is, I'm able to also pick and choose. Halimbawa, if I know I'm going to a cold place, I will go to the heavier Cetaphil tub, like the big cream, the lotion, because I know that my skin is going to be a bit shocked to go to a cold place. But usually my go-to is the BHR line, that's the Bright Healthy Radiance. Because ako naman, and I think I get it from my mom because we have the exact same skin. Madali kami mag-scar. So if we have like a pimple or ako nagpa-breakout ako, I will form a dark spot agad. Ganun talaga ang parang ko. And then same with my mom. And so we love the BHR serum. I don't know if you guys have tried it, but talagang effective siya. As in, na-notice ko, nag-even out yung skin tone ko. So, lahat ng routine ko really comes with me everywhere. But the one product, if I were asked for one talagang holy grail, it's the BHR serum. I can't go anywhere without it.